Have you ever stumbled upon a website that just feels different? It's not just the design, but the experience. It's like stepping into a neon-lit world where everything is vibrant, engaging, and a little bit out of the ordinary. That's what a neon website is all about. Neon websites, as the name suggests, are characterized by their bold use of neon colors and effects. But it's more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a captivating user experience that stands out from the crowd. Think of it as a digital art piece that not only looks cool but also serves a purpose. Key elements of a neon website. Color palette. Neon websites typically feature a vibrant color scheme, often dominated by neon hues like pink, blue, green, and yellow. These colors create a sense of energy and excitement. Typography. Bold, sans serif fonts are common choices for neon websites, as they complement the vibrant colors and create a strong visual impact. Animation and effects. Neon websites often incorporate subtle animations and effects to enhance the overall experience. Think of glowing buttons, pulsating backgrounds, and neon-lit text. Minimalist design. While neon websites can be visually striking, they often maintain a minimalist approach to avoid overwhelming the user. This means clean layouts, ample white space, and a focus on key elements. Why choose a neon website? Stand out. Neon websites are visually distinct and can help your brand stand out from the competition. Create a memorable experience. The vibrant colors and engaging effects can create a memorable experience for your visitors. Showcase creativity. Neon websites offer a platform for showcasing your creativity and artistic vision. Target a specific audience. Neon websites can appeal to a specific audience, such as young adults or those with a creative or artistic inclination. Examples of neon websites. Gaming websites. Neon websites are often used in the gaming industry to create a futuristic and immersive atmosphere. Music and entertainment websites. Neon websites can be used to create a vibrant and energetic experience for music and entertainment fans. Personal portfolios. Creative professionals can use neon websites to showcase their work and create a unique online presence. Creating your own neon website. Choose a neon website builder. There are several website builders that offer neon-themed templates and customization options. Experiment with colors and effects. Play around with different color combinations and animations to find the right look for your website. Keep it simple. Avoid cluttering your website with too many elements. Focus on the essentials and let the neon colors and effects do the talking. A neon website is more than just a pretty face. It's a powerful tool for creating a memorable and engaging online experience. By carefully selecting colors, fonts, animations, and design elements, you can create a neon website that truly stands out from the crowd. Call to action. Ready to create your own neon website? Check out these popular website builders. List of popular website builders that offer neon-themed templates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.